Well, folks, thanks for joining us today for the Get Out of My Dreams, Get Into My Used Car Teams presentation of the multi-vendor vehicle valuation service. Our vehicle valuation services are a very popular item, and they're used by FIs during the used car lending process, particularly to get a handle on the loan value, the value of the car to the loan amount. It is a $500 million a year business, a significant one with four big players, NADA, Black Book, Kelly, and Edmunds. Our problem we're trying to address here with this particular hackathon is the current implementation that we have for this service is done by Decision Pro, and that's part of its on-premise nature of things. So the interface is not really opened up and available to other applications, modern applications that want to do lightweight decisioning of consumer loans. And currently we only integrate with 3 of the 4 vendors. 2 of the vendors, indeed, are very out of date and actually require clients to do manual updates every week or month to keep current with used car prices. One vendor is a star and currently brings in all the revenue we get from this. We have 300 FIs using that, pulling 2.4 million vehicle valuations every year, and we pay out $600K in royalties, netting us over $2 million a year. But there's some thought we might even be undercharging because of auditing purposes. This is an on-premise system, so sometimes that's tricky. And our net margin here is $1 million or more. We do have a situation where the NADA clients need to migrate to a new JSON REST API in the first half of next year, and that triggered for us essentially this project, which is how can we use this opportunity to overhaul vehicle valuation in its entirety, starting first with an open API in FFDC that would encompass all 4 major vehicle valuation services. Through this single API, you should be able to call any of these vendors and return valuations and details about their vehicles' options. We've submitted a Swagger to FFTC for review, and we've implemented the NADA Yellow Book as part of this project and have the Black Book service partially implemented. Tim will take it away and do the demo for this.
Thank you, Jim. So as Jim stated earlier, what we did was review all 4 of the major vendors and come up with a common data set between them so that you can code to one data model, and all you have to do is choose which vendor that you're targeting, and you can pull a used car value from any of the 4 vendors without any additional work. So what I have here is our very light JSON message, which will pull a used car value based on the VIN. So if we send this through, it will pull back the car's value as well as all of the description of the car. And then to demonstrate the multi-vendor functionality, here we're pulling all of the models that Chevrolet manufactured in 2019 from Black Book. And after this processes, all we need to do to pull from a different vendor is to change the vendor that we're sending in the command, and it will pull from NADA instead of Black Book. So if there are any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. This is our 2019 hackathon project.
All right.